Indian film music is a vital part of the country's rich cultural heritage. Renowned for its diversity and emotional depth, the music spans various genres and languages, from Hindi to regional dialects. One key aspect that enhances the impact of these songs is lyrical clarity, ensuring the words and emotions are conveyed effectively to the audience. This document explores the concept of singing with lyrical clarity, its importance, techniques, and notable examples from Indian film music. Clear lyrics help the audience connect emotionally with the song, understanding its sentiment and message. In film music, songs often advance the plot or provide insights into characters' emotions. Lyrical clarity ensures that these narrative elements are effectively communicated. Precise pronunciation preserves the integrity of various Indian languages and dialects, promoting cultural appreciation and understanding. Singers must train in proper diction, focusing on the pronunciation of vowels and consonants specific to the language of the song. Effective breath control ensures that singers can maintain clarity even in complex phrases and high-energy performances. Singing at a moderate tempo allows for better articulation of each word, especially in languages with intricate phonetic structures. Reciting lyrics as speech before singing can help in mastering the pronunciation and flow of words. Listening to proficient singers and mimicking their pronunciation can aid in improving one's own clarity. Known as the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar's impeccable diction in songs across multiple languages has set a high standard in the industry. Renowned for his versatility and clarity, Rafi's songs are clear and emotionally resonant. A prolific playback singer in South Indian cinema, Chitra's clear enunciation has made her songs timeless. A contemporary artist, Arijit Singh's clear voice and expressive singing have made him a favorite in modern Bollywood. Singing with lyrical clarity is an essential skill for playback singers in Indian film music. It ensures that the emotional and narrative elements of a song are effectively communicated to the audience. By focusing on diction, breath control, and pronunciation, singers can achieve a level of clarity that enhances the overall impact of their performances. The legacy of singers like Lata Mangeshkar and Mohammed Rafi serves as a testament to the importance of this skill, inspiring future generations to prioritize clear and articulate singing in their musical endeavors.